What's up, guys? We have a serious next clash here. We just had a Lego airplane crash here. It was coming into land into Palm Beach International Airport with the president on board. He is in his seat right now. The whole cockpit computer is right there. And those are the people that flew out the airplane. That's a guy. That's me right over there. That's the engine. It completely snapped, but I fixed that snap. I really wanted to show you, but I cannot. I already fixed it. But the engine is literally a bottle right now. It is faced up like a water bottle. So I am watching some YouTube. And I can't believe this happened. Like I spent 2 days building this airplane, and because I got to Florida for Christmas about like 2 p.m. Like no, 7, and we had to go to Miami Heat game, and then the next day we finished. Now this thing is gone. So I hope you have a good day today for spring break. If you live in Georgia, if you live in Florida, you might be in school today. But I'm not. I am at home in Florida. I have 2 houses here, and I have a house in Jersey, which I live there. I live here, and I live at the other house in here. So this airplane's completely destroyed. I spent hours and hours in building this by myself. No one helped me. Wait. I think a car was in the belly of the aircraft. That is bad. I'll leave you guys like this. Let me go find it, because this was a hard impact crash. Ugh. The car's perfectly fine from that hard of an impact on landing. That's crazy. Here's the car. Get out of here. It has no damage. And then we have the airplane right off the door open. But I hope you have a good day for spring break in Jersey. If you don't, if you're in Jersey and live in Florida, you're in school right now. Bye-bye.